How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, in today's video I will be showing you guys a full installation on a smart ambient light strip that is available for your Model 3 and is super easy to install. Anyone can do it at your home following this video. There are many options available out there, but this one has been working flawless for me and was super easy to install. No programming is needed or coding. This strips not only gives you guys the ambient lighting, but is also a smart light with blind spot monitoring system and many other functionalities. In this video, I will walk you guys through the entire process of installation and where you can buy it from. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this from Tesla Studio. So again, this is the blind spot intelligence ambient lighting system 2.0. So there are some installation and instructions in there. Comes with that nice kit that we're going to be installing. They also include tape and some, let's see what that is. No, okay, these are some adhesive promoter wipes. Warranty and support documentation that you can use. Additional tape and our main light, and very impressive. I mean, everything is like very nicely packed, so let's go ahead and open that. In fact, this is just a feeding wire. This is not the LED. This is the actual LED strip that we're going to be installing. You can see, nicely wrapped around, and this is the connector. This is just a fish wire that they include, so you can fish it. So this is the wiring that is included. We're going to be installing all this. This is the wiring harness, and on this one, this is where you connect this cable right there. And then this is what we're going to be connecting to our OBD and getting the power. So let's get to the installation. They also include this prying tool for the full installation. So let's get to it. 2023 Tesla Model 3, and I'll walk you through the process of exactly what needs to be done. So this is the kit that we're going to be using, and like I showed you guys earlier, it comes with a tool. So let's get to the installation. Basically, once I'm done, I'm going to have a nice LED strip all the way down there. So let's get to it. Just down my clips. There you go. Just be gentle so you don't break anything. Then we need to get into this side. Again, just held my two clips. And once you remove this, you can lift it up. And now there is a tab right there, but before that, you can go ahead and remove this door strip. Just makes it easier to access this. There you go. You can just pop this out. Once you pop it out, pretty much comes out. This is the trim. And we're going to remove this entire trim that goes all the way at the bottom. So let's go ahead and remove this. And this is nothing, just clipped on, so much easier to access. You may want to remove them just for easy access. There you go. Now once you remove it, this whole piece just lifts. this up. This on the side. Now you can see this is your OBD. Now there is this plug right there. It says screen power. So this basically, this entire harness will connect to this port right there. So there's a tab. Tab will connect right here, and you'll hear a clicking sound. Just make sure these are nice and snug. And over here you can match. The red should go to red, the white should go to white, and same thing. So all the colors are matching. So this car is an AMD version. You can go into the settings and see it yourself. So here I can see this is an AMD Ryzen, and this kit kind of tells you if it's the AMD power. So this is the one we're going to be using. This one is for Model Y Juniper, so the new Model Ys. If you have that, then you use this one, but in this case we're going to be using this one. So they made one kit that is compatible with all of them, which is good. And this entire thing will go right here. So let's go ahead and remove that. There you go, comes off. And since we are using the AMD power one, we're gonna plug this in. So as you can notice, this is the exact same plug as this one. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then take this end and plug this in like that. And make sure the other one is just hanging by itself. You're not going to connect this to anything. So just keep in mind you connected the right one. And now we're going to connect our OBD port, which is this guy right there. So we're going to take this end right there and slide it in just like that. And now you have your extra one, just in case if you are installing any other accessories, you can use this one later on. But that's pretty much it for the wiring. And now all you have to do is connect this guy to the LED strip and everything should work, and we're gonna tuck all this wire, everything in there. So again, just to walk you guys through it, we connected this guy right there and just plugged it in, and this plug in, that's it. All the rest just remains like that. This is the fuse. In case if it ever stopped working for any odd reason, you can come here, pop it up and check the fuse right there. So this kit comes with a fused option, which is good. And this will just have to take it in beside, like before we put the side panel in, we can just put everything on the side and just connect this guy. So now we're gonna fish the cable right from here, and it will just pop right out. Take this Velcro off, and keep in mind the wiring side or the connector side comes on this side, so you can just feed it through. Another way to do it is also you can take this side and feed it from here. Let's go ahead and connect it and see if it comes on. There you go. You can see this side is already on because my door is open, so it lights up. And when you open the other side door, this will light up, and then you can program it the way you want it. It's already looking very nice. unplug it for right now. And let me get my fish tape so I can see maybe fish it properly. So this is the fish tape that came with the kit. And I'm gonna see if I can find a way to get in. Here you can see I kind of fished this. I'm just going to tie the tape over here, and just pull the LED strip. Tape it really nice this time so it doesn't go anywhere. Through. Nice and easy. And you're in. So now let's go ahead and remove this side. Okay, so now all we have to do is insert this. Let's go ahead and plug this in. So this is the double-sided tape that came with it. So what I did was I kind of stick it on the side and I kind of peeled off the top. It just makes your life easier when you're doing installation to peel the top part off just a little bit, just to expose. And then I'm going to stick this all the way on top of the LED strip, all the way down. And then I'm going to clean the bottom of the dash and then just peel it and then stick it. So let's go ahead and do that. So here you can see I already added the tape all the way on top, and now we're going to go ahead and clean the bottom, and for that I'm going to be using this cleaner. So let's go ahead and peel this off. Stick this under the dash. So here you can see I kind of connected it on the edge, and I'm just going and just peeling off little by little and sticking this, and that's the best way to do this. Okay, the entire tape is out and it is nice and snug, and you can see looks much nicer than to stick it all the way back in there in the crevices. So highly recommend use the double-sided tape and stick this and make sure everything is nice and stuck. And I'm gonna go ahead and button this up and we'll play with the light. Okay, the ambient light installed, and this is what we're gonna do. Take this and turn it to the right and hold it for 2 seconds, that's what it says. And now you can change the light to scroll up, and now it changes the color to whatever color you want. And once you're done with your selection, now it brighten up, like, you know, so to show you the light, and then once you leave it there, it just stops. So if If you want to change it again, you hold it to the right for 2 seconds. There you go. Now you can just change light, color, whatever. And that's it. Once you're done, just leave it there and it will stay there. Now once you turn the blinker on, you can see that it turns green on that side because I'm giving the right blinker. If you give the left blinker, it will blink on this side. And let's test the hazard light. I don't know how to turn the hazard light on this one. Let's turn the hazard light on. There you go. You can see both of them, they're turning. Now once you have a blind spot, of course I'm not driving. Once you are driving and you have a blind spot, then the light will turn on for whatever the blind spot that you're seeing. And this is all the stuff that it does. So it has the blind spot reminder, blind spot warning, signal, light turn on warning, open door warning. So once you open my door on this side, you can see it will turn right on that side. There you go. Temperature air warning. So if I'm changing the temperature, see if I'm increasing it, the red bar will go on all the way. If I'm decreasing it, the blue will come on. Air volume increase mode, so if I am increasing the air volume, same thing, it will go on. Speed warning, so if you're speeding and the speed limit is you're going above the speed limit, it will by 20%, it will warn you with a red light like this. AP mode, at the end of the strip displays red, green, yellow and blue. Sports mode kind of shows like this, and over-the-air update. So pretty cool little device, and this gives my car a very nice touch. So hopefully this video helps you guys upgrade your Model 3. This is a 2023 model, so you can upgrade any Model 3 all the way to 2023 and even the newer ones. They have all sorts of accessories, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can purchase yours from and use my discount code so you guys can get a nice discount on this. So guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like the video.